Hello friends, welcome to the fourth video of Mentor-Mentee Internship Program. This program is initiated by the team Bright Uprise. Myself Priya Singh, the mentee for this program, and the mentor Varshika Chaudhary is guiding me for the technology Python. So, this is the fourth lecture of the Python technology. We will discuss about the second topic of variable types, that is string. So, what is a strings? Strings are the contiguous set of characters represented in the quotation marks, both single or double. Means, here is example variable 1 is equals to hello. Here we have put this string in a single quotation and this in a double quotation. These both are the declaration of a string variable type. Also, here we have used the word contiguous set of characters. In this, H, E, L, L, O are the characters, and when we use it in a contiguous manner, it becomes a string. Also, subsets of strings can be taken using the slice operator, square bracket and square bracket colon, with indexes starting at 0 in the beginning of the string and working their way from -1 at the end. Means, like for example, if this is a variable 1 hello which stores a string value hello, then if we want to take LLO from this word, then this subset of string can be get from this slice operator. Okay, and also the index of the string start from 0, means the very first word is, character starts from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4, and so on. Different accesses in strings. As we have read before, that slice operator is used to get the subset of strings. By that slice operator, we can access different characters in this string. So first here we have initialized str with hello world and then printed str. This will print the whole hello world complete string. Then we used print str 0. This is the index of this string. This string, as we have said, it starts with the 0 index and then 1, then 2, then 3, and so on. Thus, str index with 0 prints h. Then we have print str2 colon. Here it prints a string starting from third to last character. So in this, which is the third character? This L is a third character. So it will print LLO space word. Then we have print str colon 5. It prints a string starting from first to fifth character. So in this, which is the first character? This E is the first character and fifth character is O. So it will print E double L O. Now we have print str2 colon 5, which prints characters starting from third to fifth character. Okay, so it will print LLO only. Now we will see these examples on a notepad. Here we have written this program, okay, this program on a notepad and run this on a CMD. So what we get? We get for str the whole hello word, then for str0 the first word which has the index 0, then for str2 colon double L O underscore word, then space word, and then for str colon 5 we get hello, and for str2 colon 5 we get double L O, as we have said before. Now we will discuss about different operations in strings. Here the different operations are repetition, concatenation, updation, and the space in the string or iteration. Here to repeat a single string we can use this multiplication operator and write here the number of times we want to repeat that string. Say we want to write this hello word 2 times, so we use 2 here. Okay, now the second one is concatenation. If we want to add any of the word after this str, so after or before this str, so we can just use this plus operator, this addition operator. This will do what? It will print word after hello world. Okay, And if we wanted to print this word before hello world, then we must do what? Print word plus str. Then we have here updation operator. Now, if we wanted to print hello Python instead of hello world, then what we should do? We should declare another string and initialize hello Python in that? No. So what we do? We update the str which we have already initialized. So for that, first we what do? First we take the subset from this string which we want in our new string. Okay, and that is hello. So we have taken str:6 which will print hello and space. Then we have added another string Python which will update the string with hello Python. Now comes space in the string. Okay, this is also known as iteration. So if we wanted to print this hello word like H space E space L space L, so what we do? Okay, so we use this iteration method. For this we use for x in str:print x. This prints string vertically, means it will print like H E L L O like this vertically. And if we put comma after x, then it will print the string horizontally. But the difference in this and this str will be that there will be the space in between each character. Now we will see it on a notepad. So here we have repetition. Print str into 2, it gives hello world 2 times. Then there is str plus word, it gives hello world, and we have concatenated this word, so it prints word again. Then we have updation. As I have said, it will print hello Python instead of hello world, so it has printed hello Python. Now I have used iteration operator to give the space in the strings. This shows vertically and this horizontally. So see this shows vertically, okay, and this shows horizontally, and there is a space between each character. Thanks for watching the video. Please watch our video 5 to cover the further topics.